Cool.
So this is what our gas cap comes with: the bottom portion, top portion, nut and bolt, 2 small Allen heads, and a spacer. Now what you want to do is you're going to need a few tools. Here's a screwdriver, Phillips, a 13 millimeter, a 5 and a 2 Allen keys. First thing you want to do is take off the bottom portion of your OEM gas cap. And that's done by unscrewing these 2 Phillips screws. Now this pops off easily. This is all you'll be using. You don't need this locking mechanism, so get rid of that. So here what you want to do is get a marker and draw a circle just on the center. Just try to center it. This cut doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be big enough to fit this screw. So after cutting, what you'll end up with is something like this. You can either use a file, a drill, however you want to do it. Just open it up like so that this bolt can slide in and out. Now that you have the hole cut up, you have to put this back together, drop in the spring, drop this piece in, goes up and down, and then the last piece is to fit the rubber grommet over. Once you have that in place, you want to drop the spacer in with the bigger side going in first. And taking the bottom cap, pressing it over, dropping the bolt down, through to the other side, and you nut it. All you want to do now is tighten it. Now this cap can be adjusted to sit in whatever position you want, but right now we have it like this. Next, you want to take the top cap, line these 2 holes up with the 2 tapped holes here, dropping it in, taking your Allen key, wiggle until you find the right position, tighten it down. There you have it, the complete gas cap.